Welcome back to the sewing room. Day 2, December 2nd. Yes, it is. December 2nd. We've got another stocking to choose. Which one do you think we ought to get? What do y'all think? Let's just grab this one right here. Just because, this one fell off. We'll hang it back up till tomorrow, maybe. Are y'all ready? Let's see what's in this one. Here's our little note. Okay. This one says a rotating cutting mat. Day 2 is a rotating cutting mat. And I have one. I do. I have one right here. Mine happens to be a square one. And if you are cutting blocks and things that you need to rotate, these are great. They really are. And I put a note on here. They range in price. Here's my sticker. On Amazon. And I'm going to have these things all in an Amazon list for you. Every day I will add the new item. But here's our rotating cutting mat. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm probably going to put them all, just go ahead tonight and put them all in a list of our 2025 24 days of Christmas list. So you can find all these things that we're going to talk about. Like I said, some of them I already have. Some of them I would like to have. They're just all things that are very useful in a sewing room. So this was our rotating cutting mat. And they come in round. They come in square. Mine is actually a 13-inch square one. They come round. And I'm sure you can get different grades of them. So this is just kind of a kin to our other cutting mats. There are different brands of these. You could even take a small one and lay it on top of a Lazy Susan. If you have a Lazy Susan, you could even do that. Y'all, this is fun. I like opening a stocking every day. It's like Christmas every day because we have no idea. Like I said, I have no idea what's in these stockings. Absolutely none. And we still got a few Christmas things I want to make. I'm going to still have some gifts I want to make with you all. So y'all hang with me and we will get our Christmas together. I'm going to take you all down with me and we decorate some, I think. I'm going to try to. I don't always think to do that because lots of times I'm in pajamas or something. And I think we're going to have a pajama party one night. Yes, we are. We're going to try to do a live one night, something that I've never done before. But I'm going to try to do that, and we're going to have a pajama party one night. Yeah, I'll have my pajamas on. I love my pajamas. We're going to have a pajama party. So y'all stay tuned and keep an eye out for that. But today, December the 2nd, we have a rotating cutting mat. Yay! So if you don't have one and you want one, put that on your list. Just so happens day 1 and 2 are things that I actually already have. I've already got so much stuff that it's hard for me to find a whole lot left. There are some things up there, though, that I would like that I don't already have. So this is fun. Fun. So come back tomorrow for day 3. I'm going to try to post these all at the same time of the day. A little offset from my regular videos that I'm still going to put up. So they won't be posted at the same time as regular videos. So y'all keep an eye out and keep watching. And I'll see you all tomorrow.